Spruce up your home, workshop, and garage with the ultra-portable electric wet-dry vacuum from Sunjo. Full-size shop vacs are cumbersome, so Sunjo created a compact vac that's just the right size for minor messes and spills around the house, in the car, anywhere in need of a quick clean. There's no need for two tools when one does it all. Equipped with a powerful 7-amp motor, SWD 2500 makes quick work out of any mess, wet or dry. And with 3.5 horsepower of pure cleaning power, SWD 2500 comes equipped with an easy empty 2.6-gallon tank, ideal for quick cleanups, leaks, and spills. With the handy suite of tools and the reusable washable filter, you'll have the right tool to suit any cleaning task. Use the floor brush to tidy up a spill in the laundry room, the crevice brush to clean up debris in between tight spaces, or the dust brush to clean out the car. Lightweight at only 8 pounds, SWD 2500 comes equipped with roller wheels and an easy carry handle for maximum mobility. And every SWD 2500 comes backed by Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty. So keep your home clean and tidy with the one tool for multiple messes. SWD 2500 Ultra Portable Electric Wet Dry Vac from Sunjo. Get equipped.
Everybody knows that small Stanley wet-dry vacuums are great for small messes, but they're built to take on the bigger messes too, making it perfect for picking up pet hair, drywall dust, debris, and more. That's not even the half of it. Remove the blue cloth filter and or dust bag, attach the foam filter, and you're ready to pick up all those spills that would normally take up an entire roll of paper towels. Don't cry over spilled milk. Clean it up quick with a Stanley wet-dry vacuum. Many Stanley wet-dry vacuums feature a high-performance blower port, perfect for blowing leaves off the patio. You can even use the inflator kit to turn your vacuum into a custom tool for quickly inflating your air mattress. What about cold ash cleanup? Well, the Stanley Ash Vac is just the tool you need to clean out your fireplace, grill, and bonfire pits. Stanley Tools, performance in action.